got flour, I've got sugar, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and just a pinch of salt to add balance to my butter. There I have my melted butter in a cup. So I'm just gonna mix this all together. Bag that I'm going to put my mixture into. Just a simple bag, just a simple glass. Put your piping bag into. Make sure that you cut a very small hole, very tiny, to be able to control your batter. See, make sure your pan is on medium heat. Perfect little mini pancakes. So we're gonna add them to our bowl to have them as for cereal for breakfast. Yay!